What's up guys? Good morning, Dubai. So what we're gonna do today, we will bring this car to the villa, to the one of the villa, and we're going to wash it out, because only in the villa allowed to wash this car by the water, because here in Dubai you are not allowed to wash car in the street. You are not allowed to put water, to make the water everywhere on the street. Otherwise you will get a fine with the municipality. That's why I decided to bring the boys with me, and now I'm here in Sheikh Zayed Road going to Satwa to pick them up. So we need a deep cleaning of this car today. Then we will go straight away to the villa to start the job done. Alright. Good morning, Dubai.
Vlog.
It's another vlog.
Dubai.
It's another vlog for today. Villas in the doors.
Hi nga pala sa family ko sa Bacor, Cavite.
Yes, shout out.
Shout out.
Yung kapatid ko pala nasa Pinas.
Yun. Saan sa Pinas?
Uy na. Akala ko
Santa Maria, Laguna.
Santa Maria, Laguna.
Ay, kamusta sa asawa ko? Kamusta ka na?
Yun. Ang nagmamahal sa'yo.
Saka yung mother ko na nasa Italy.
Yun, mismo.
Hi, Mami.
Hi.
Hi po sa family namin sa Pilipinas. Hi sa mga anak ko dyan. Ayan, Cedric Baredo, Cristiana, Ariana, Shane, Ayan, Cedric, Daniel, Nathaniel, and Isis Suria. Hi, good morning. Shout out sa family ko there, Christopher Baredo.
Good morning.
Morning.
Alam mo, may lakad ka pa ito. Alas 2 ang tiga bukas.
Hindi ka nalasana eh.
Oras na ako natutulog. Kasi parang yata ako sa kain.
Grabe, nangingo talaga ng tubig. Nawala na ako sa madumi, no?
So, the boys. Gerald. Yeah, shout out, boy.
Talagang may ano ba?
Sumuwi, hindi mo lang ako sinabay. Ay, paano ko matatabay? Wala ng pesto.
Sabi niya kagabi, iniwan ako ng mag-ina ko ah.
Sama.
Iniwan na siya ng mag-ina niya.
Ibigay nga yan. Sinigitisi mo sa nakuha ko nga.
Subuhan mo, Luz. Kape.
Minahal naman kita ng tunay. Ano mga pinaggagawa ko? Pinapagalitan na naman ko.
Bakit nyo kasi ako iniwan kagabi?
Hindi mo lang ako pinainom.
Nag-expect.
Ito na magpaliwanag. So now we have another house cleaning project, and in the same time we're going to clean our car outside, and I think Jones is already washing it, and we will check it out later. So our guys are all inside, so come on, let's see what's going on, and I will show you around. And we have now started the project. So we're doing the car washing, and at the same time we're cleaning this house. So I'll show you guys inside. Kitchen, dining table over here, and a sunset. All right, so we're back here at the car. Steamer? Jumps? Steamer band?
Oh.
Birahin mo! So we are now in the final stage of cleaning up this car, and there you go, Gerald is doing that. That's all done. So guys, it's finally done. So now we are ready to go. We're all packing our things now. So we are ready to go home. So another project done for the day. So come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. end of my vlog, and thank you guys for joining with me for another wonderful adventure. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Alright.